Good morning. This is Assistant Coach Fado with the Attack Gym in Huru, Kipora. Njia Huru, Swahili term for the way of freedom. Kipora is the correct term for what was miscalled capoeira by Hufel. I believe I'm still working on pronouncing his name. It's Portuguese, but it's Rafael Butos or Blutos, shall I say, in the year 1712. Anyway, this is just a quick update on my walk here not long ago. A couple weeks, I think I did it on the 24th. This is one of them. This one was a late bloomer. It was buried also a little deeper, so took a little longer to do its thing. But here's my other one. It wasn't buried as deep, and so far as you can see, it's thriving pretty well. All right, some of you guys had asked for the update, and that's the update. You already know what to do. Hit the subscribe button so we can continue to give you guys some good content, and look forward to us later on today. We're gonna be doing some training and posting some more stuff on that. You guys have a good day. Ashanti Sanda. Ashe.